What is a macaroon? Macaroons are small, round cookies based on ground or flaked coconuts. They are distinguished for their brownish caramelized color, crunchy texture, and somewhat dome-like surfaces. The name is applied to a wide variety of cookies or confections made primarily of egg whites and almond powder. Coconut powder can also be substituted or used in combination with the almond powder. Where did macaroons come from? Macaroons are said to have originated in Italy, particularly Venice, during the Renaissance. The name is derived from the Italian macaroni and the Venetian macaron, meaning a fine paste, from which the word macaroni is also derived. They first appeared in Italian monasteries as early as 791, and legend has it that they used to be made in the shape of monks' navels. These early versions were most likely a crunchy cookie with a soft interior made from almond paste, egg whites, and sugar. The recipes for macaroons spread slowly, with the first accounts occurring in France in 1533. The first recipes for these treats were not recorded until 1725. In the US, coconut macaroon variations are more popular while the almond macaroon variations are more popular in Italy, France, and other parts of Europe. How are macaroons made? Macaroons are quite simple to prepare. Most recipes involve foaming egg whites in sugar to the desired stage and then folding in the inclusions before depositing and baking the batter. The following formula demonstrates the process for preparing coconut-based macaroons. The ingredients are in BAKERpedia. Finely ground or flaked, unsweetened, dried coconut at 93%. Granulated sugar at 37%. Egg whites at 60%. Here are the processing specifications. First, mix all the ingredients in a mixer and stir continuously. Heat mixture while mixing to reach a final temperature of 131 degrees Fahrenheit 55 degrees Celsius. Then, deposit the mixture onto parchment-lined sheet pans approximately 2 inches (5.0 centimeters) in diameter and 1.8 inches (4.5 centimeters) in height. After that, bake at 326 degrees Fahrenheit 163 degrees Celsius in a convection oven until golden brown, approximately 15 minutes. When cool, the bottoms may be dipped in tempered chocolate and set before packaging. Application. There are hundreds of variations of macaroons throughout the world. Every region has adopted its own style or formula. Some popular inclusions are chocolate and coconut, which is common throughout Europe, North America, and Australia. In India, cashews are often used. The Spanish type is made with hazelnuts and honey often added to the recipe. All these variations have led to an inconsistently defined product. For example, in the United States, macaroons are dense and chewy, while in France, they are light and airy, and often made without coconut. The following are some relevant considerations when making macaroons. Ingredients such as cream of tartar or other acidulates may be added to increase processing tolerance and stability of the egg foam. Care should be taken that the eggs are at room temperature for ideal development and incorporation of air cells in the batter. All equipment coming in contact with the egg whites should be completely free of water, as water will disrupt the foam. Equipment product contact surfaces can be rinsed with vinegar to remove any possible fat contaminants. Want to learn more about the processes and ingredients involved in making macaroons? Visit BAKERpedia for more information. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At BAKERpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.